Hey everybody, this is Jeff from Sugatsune Hardware. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our HES 3D concealed hinges. So there's a lot of concealed hinges like ours on the market in the sense of being fully concealed, recessed in the door and frame. I'm here to tell you a little bit why ours are more special. With our hinges, you will have 3 different adjustments. So I like to say, not that anyone would make mistakes in the industry, but you're allowed to and be able to dial it in if, say, the router part was off. We have here 3 screws on these hinges. There's going to be a vertical adjustment screw, a horizontal adjustment screw, and then a reveal adjustment screw. So you're able to adjust the reveal on the door and dial it in. That way you can make it smaller, larger, make more hidden of a door. One of the other unique features of our HES 3D hinges, along with the 3D adjustment, is that by design, ours have a lift-off feature. Many other hinges out on the market, you can disassemble anything, but ours were designed to be removable. They have a removable notch down here where the notch will fit into the slot. That way when you lift it on or off, it'll hold in place for completing the install. We do have these in various different sizes and finishes. I know some others on the market might have exposed hardware. If I'm spending this kind of money on a hinge, I don't want to see any sort of stripped or used Phillips head screws or Torx head screws. Where ours are unique is they have these cover caps, so all the hardware will be concealed. It'll look clean and sleek. The cover caps match the curves of the hinge itself, so it'll be a truly aesthetically pleasing hinge once installed. One feature we like to point out on our hinges with the small details that we like to put into our hardware is that we have squared with round corner full-size door HES 3D hinges. Where that's important is there has been a recent popularity with squared hardware being put on door handles or other hardware involved in the door itself. This allows for that small aesthetic to match the rest of the door. Ours are unique in that way. Not a lot of the competition has that feature, and we just like to make it known since it's such a small detail, but we find it to be very important. If you have any questions, make sure to contact us directly, check us out on social media, or visit our website.